Football or soccer is currently the world's most popular game. Millions of dollars have been made from the game of football, from the players themselves and non-players. It is a game played all over the world. So, a question: who invented the game of soccer? Who created or thought about creating a game and called it soccer? If you say it's a Chinese man, you could be right, because that's what we know. The first football was made from the bladder of a pig. The circular shape was to make it easier to roll on the ground. As we can see from the shape of the first ball, the description of a circle suffered in this case. An Englishman came along and improved on the shape of the ball by using animal skin on the outside of the pig's bladder. Fast forward, we now have the modern ball made of synthetic leather and without a tube. Question though, did the Chinese man woke up one day in the morning with this very bright idea of creating or inventing a game of football? I doubt so. In my feelings, I think this guy must have been a very good nature lover. He probably was out in nature enjoying himself when he came across this particular insect. He is called a dung beetle, and he is a ball maker par excellence. He has been making balls since his time began, which is a very long time. He makes his balls using dung. Dung is a more polite word for excrement or poop of grazers like elephants, wildebeest, cows, and the likes. He makes them very big, 250 times his own weight. To move such weight along the ground, they have to be perfect circle to roll easily. He checks the weight from time to time as he molds the shape. He is well aware of the distance he has to cover to reach home. Those with exceptional ability will attract jealous rivals who would like to steal the ball. But the thief quickly realizes that a perfect ball maker can also be a perfect in Taekwondo. He is finally red-carded. When all is done, he climbs up the ball, picks his bearing, and heads home, carrying a necessary joyrider, his wife, or shall we say, his wives. Obviously, the shape of the ball changes, making it difficult for him to roll it home. But he has nature's wisdom, and he will ignore that. Other than helping man think of a game, the little creatures keep our plains clean. Without them and with our land full of grazers dropping their poop all over, we would have some really filthy environment. There you have it. From the making of the ball, the choice of the shape, the use of the rear legs to roll the ball, all that the beetle helped man create a game that is so popular today. So when you see these beetles rolling their dung balls, don't go kicking their balls around, literally, because we need our environment clean. Do your part in conserving nature, because that is the wisdom of